morning guys, from sunny side of Ilsan. Today I'm gonna go to Bupyeong, which is near Incheon, and they have this really interesting place to take a nap. Apparently it's almost kind of like capsule hotel, but you can only take a nap there, and apparently it looked really futuristic. It literally looked like a capsule hotel, but inside of the room they have this little oxygen machine, which I thought it was really interesting. So we're gonna go there, meet up with my friend Kevin. So we're just gonna chill there and then go to cafe after. So hope you guys enjoy today's vlog, and let's get it started.
The doors are on your left. You can also transfer to the fast and convenient KTX or other rail services.
I'm finally at Bupyeong station. Just reached like a few minutes ago. A little change of plans, so we're gonna go to a cafe first and then go to that capsule place. The coffee shop is called Fog Coffee, F-O-G. I really like that place because it's so aesthetic and I've never been there. I like discovering cafes from Instagram, so this is one of the hottest places right now and it's super aesthetic, so yeah, let's go. If you guys are interested to go to Fog Coffee, you guys have to get out of exit 5. It's a little bit confusing because Bupyeong or Bupyeong station, the exit numbers, you can't really see it a lot, so make sure you guys ask around or just look around and make sure you find the number. But yeah, let's go out from exit 5 because it's the closest from exit 5, so let's go. We found it. It's right here. It's right in front of exit 5 and it's called Fog Coffee. I really like the aesthetic of this place and the entrance is so cute. Yay, let's go in. Look who's here already. I'm so sorry I'm late. I'm here with Kevin again. Hi. Oh wait. Ta-da.
Again today.
Yeah, we're just chilling before we actually go and
really,
take a nap.
The nap.
The nap. Oh, this place is really nice. It's super aesthetic, but at the same time, I heard their dessert is really yummy. So everything is super Insta-worthy. I'm so excited to come to Bupyeong all the way for this. Oh my god, you guys. So we ordered a Fog Coffee, and then this is a red bean with butter. We also ordered macaron. So good.
I see you just floating away from me again. Up in with little to care about, hard to bear, running away 1,000,000 miles a day behind misty clouds in the darkness of the night. You better hold on tight, 'cause it's gonna be a bumpy ride. Goodbye to
done catching up. We're now gonna go to the capsule resting place. It's not really a hotel because they only do like a temporary resting, like only for a few hours. It's seriously so interesting. I want to show you guys, so yeah, let's go. We are here, people. It's called Cafe Somnus. It's a premium healing space. Let's go in. This is their cafe area, and here they have like a menu for the drinks, and then they also have the description on the price for the capsule. So you can go for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and 3 hours. So starting from 30 minutes, you guys pay for 5,000, and 1 hour is 9,000, and then all the way till 19,000. They also have a massaging chair option here. So it's 20 minutes for 3,000, 40 minutes for 5,000, and 1 hour is 6,000. It's pretty cool.
영수 드릴까요?
아, 네.
카드를 드릴 건데
네.
카드 이쪽에 보시면 꽂는 곳이 있습니다.
아, 네네네.
방향 상관없이 위에서 아래로 꽂아주시면 되고요. 이쪽에 들어오는 조명은 수면 유도등입니다. 7분 지나면 자동적으로 꺼지게 되어 있어요.
아, 네.
저희 산소 발생기는 50분 가동하다가 10분 멈추는 쿨타임이 있는.
Oh my god, look at this. It literally looks like you're in outer space. Wow.
This place is really awesome. So basically when you put in the card or your room card, the light will get dimmed, and then after that the oxygen machine thing will turn on, which is really cool. So it creates oxygen and it helps you to sleep like better. And also on this side they give you like a disposable like tissue, so that when you're sleeping and you're putting your head on here, you don't feel like, you know, it's nasty. It feels really hygienic and they care about that, so I really like it. And they also give you blanket here. Pretty cool.
Okay guys, I slept for a little bit. It was actually really nice, so yeah, let's go out.
Okay guys, I'm finally back home, and before I go to bed, I just want to say that the experience at the oxygen capsule place was really interesting. I thought I wouldn't sleep, but vibe and the atmosphere, lightings and everything made me so relaxed. I fell asleep. And it was really nice because it's catered for napping, and I love taking a nap, so I thought that was really genius, especially for people who don't know what to do and they have time to kill around that area. They can just take a nap, and it's really super clean and hygienic. So if you guys ever come to Korea and you guys want to experience something really unique like that, you guys definitely should check out Bupyeong. So I'll put all the places and the link on the description box below so you guys can check it out. So yeah, I'm gonna continue my vlog tomorrow, so I'm just gonna sleep right now and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Aku jadi orang.
Oh, nggak kedengeran. Oh.
Annyeong K-popers.
Malam minggu ditemenin oleh DJ Ngehits bareng sama kita,
DJ Honey.
Good morning guys from sunny side of Seoul. I'm in Seoul in Yeouido right now with my friend
Hi.
Hansol. He's
Hi,
my
hi.
co-DJ in KBS World Radio Indonesian.
Right.
I'm under the same like floor with Joan and David. So, but we never really like bump into each other because we have different schedule. We just finished our radio session and we're now at IFC Mall in Yeouido. So we're just gonna chill around and yeah, just chill.
Yeah, let's grab a coffee or like get some brunch or I don't know something.
Yes, and just talk. Cool thing about this mall, they have Panda Express. So if you guys ever come to Korea and you crave for Panda Express, they have it in IFC Mall. So make sure you guys check it out. I'm gonna order some stuff here too.
Okay, you're.
저는 뽀로 주세요. 뽀리요? 네.
I like the smooth wood, but it's very hard to clean it up.
오, 맛있다.
Hey, thank you so much. 잘 먹을게요.
많이 먹어.
감사합니다.
이제 just got done with lunch and we're gonna walk around IFC Mall area because every time I come here, I only eat lunch and then go home.
Right.
So we're just gonna walk around. Ooh, I kind of want to go to Muji. Let's go to Muji. This is the paper shredder that I just got and it's really, really good. And it saves a lot of space, especially if you guys are living in Korea and if you guys use your card. They'll tend to show your card number, so if you want to get rid of it, just shred it, just for the sake of privacy. This is really good.
Oh. Okay, continue. Ini berapa nih harganya?
I'm at the bookstore right now. And I really want to pick up like easy books to read in Korean. And this is Winnie the Pooh, 곰돌이 푸 행복한 일을 매일 써. There's always happiness in Winnie the Pooh's life. So yeah, it's really short and they have a lot of different like illustration and very easy to read. So I kind of want to pick this one up. Such a great chat. We had a really like deep chat like about controversies and things like that. So I'm gonna head to Hongdae and Hansol's gonna head back to his place. So see you, Hansol. So I just met up with my friend Erim and we're gonna have this really yummy dessert from B Sweet On Cafe. It's in Hongdae, so if you guys are wondering where it is, definitely check this place out. This is really yummy. And I just got I think Earl Grey tea, and we're just gonna chill and talk and catch up. I just got out of the shower. We had so much fun talking. My friend is taking a shower now, so I'm just gonna watch Netflix. So I'm gonna close my vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry, like today's vlog is really like all over the place, but I promise next time I'll do a better job at vlogging. Don't forget to click like and subscribe if you guys haven't, and I'll see you guys next time. Good night.